Hello, today we will guide you through how to create payslips in Manager.io. In this walkthrough, we'll create a payslip from start to finish using simple examples so you can apply the same process to your own payroll. We'll keep things clear and practical, and along the way I'll point out tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening Manager.io and signing into your business file. Once you're in the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct business and financial period. That ensures the payslip you create will post to the right accounting date and reports. Next, look for the Payslip section in the left-hand menu. In a typical setup, it appears under the Payroll area along with other employee records. Open Payslips to view the list. This page is where all existing documents live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Click the New Payslip button. This opens a blank form. Think of this as the cover sheet for a single employee's pay for a specific period. Set the date. Choose the date that matches your payroll policy. Some organizations use the period end date, others use the payment date. Consistency is important because it affects which month the expense appears in your reports. Add a description. Keep it clear and recognizable, like April 2026 payroll or week 14 wages. A consistent naming style makes it much easier to search and reconcile later. Now enter a sample deduction. In payroll terms, a deduction is an amount withheld from the employee's pay, such as tax, a benefits premium, or a repayment. Select the appropriate deduction item if there's a drop-down, then type the amount. Double-check that you've chosen the correct deduction category so the cost flows to the right ledger account. Enter a sample contribution. Contributions are employer-paid amounts that do not reduce the employee's net pay. Think pension contributions or employer-paid benefits. As before, choose the relevant contribution type and enter the amount. Keep an eye on any automatic calculations and make sure the figure reflects your policy or agreed rate. When everything looks right, review the form carefully. Confirm the date, description, and each line item. Accurate setup now prevents rework later. If you're satisfied, click Create to save the payslip. Manager.io will generate the document and post it to your records. If you spot something that needs adjusting after saving, you can reopen the payslip, edit the details, and update it. That's it. You've created a payslip in Manager.io ready to support accurate payroll and clean financial.